Separation of insoluble solid from liquid. We know that there are main three states of matter, which is solid, liquid and gas. Solid. In solid, the molecules are very tightly packed as they are very close together, attract each other very strongly. Example: wood, glass, sand, chalk, plastic and etc. Liquid. In liquid, the molecules are less tightly packed. Example: water, milk, oil, juice and etc. Gases. In gases, the molecules are so far each other and there is less any attraction between them. Therefore, they move around independent to each other. Example: steam, smoke, oxygen and hydrogen and etc. Our experiment about separation of insoluble solid from liquid. So, stone, sand, chalk are some examples of insoluble solid. What is the insoluble? If a substance does not dissolve in a solvent, we say that it is insoluble. For example, sand does not dissolve in water. It is insoluble. Let us do an experiment. Now we take some water and sand. In the water, we mix the sand. There are two processes of separation of insoluble solid from liquid: sedimentation and filtration. Sedimentation is a process of separating large particles of solid from a mixture of solid and liquid under gravity. By leaving the mixture undisturbed for a long time, the larger and heavier solid particles select down, leaving the clear liquid above it. Deconnection is a method which follows sedimentation. Once the solid has completely settled down, the clear liquid above is poured out, leaving behind the insoluble heavy solid particles. Filtration, on the other hand, is a more sophisticated approach of separation of a solid and liquid. Filtration is a method for separating an insoluble solid from a liquid. When a mixture of sand and water is filtered, the sand stays behind in the filter paper. It becomes residue. The water passes through the filter paper. It becomes the filtrate. Muddy water can be filtered by filtration process. In this experiment, we should take a funnel and will cover it by a cone of filter paper. Now we should pour muddy water in a funnel. We can see that sand or mud will remain in the funnel and filtered water will pass from it and can be collected in a jar. We can see this process is in above picture. So in this way we can filter insoluble solid from liquid. Thank you for watching this video.